Hello everyone, this is Leena Moon. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna explain you proverbs which are used in our daily conversation. These proverbs play very important role as I'm gonna explain you their meanings with example. Proverbs, muhavre ya kahavate, that means express some obvious truth or familiar experiences. Don't judge a book by its cover is a phrase that means don't make an opinion just by looking outside of a thing. A person shouldn't be judged by its external appearance only. Before making an opinion about it, you should go through inside of the facts. Necessity is the mother of invention. If there is a need of something, you always find a way to do it. It is this need or necessity that forces people invent things. For example, during COVID-19 pandemic, each and every country trying to invent new medicine, vaccines, which satisfies the particular need. Necessity, after all, is the mother of invention. If we absolutely need to do something that has never been done, we will find a way to do it. The pen is mightier than the sword. By using sword, you can kill anyone. Many people write by using pen. The impact of writing is more. Writing is more influential on a greater number of people than force or violence. So it is said that the pen is mightier than the sword. Beauty is in the eye of beholder, told by Shakespeare. I mean, if I look at the thing which is beautiful for me, may not be beautiful for another person. It depends on the person watching it. Different people have different ideas and views about what is beautiful. Not all people have the same opinion about things. For example, you may not like the design of my new necklace, but then beauty is in the eye of the beholder. One man's trash is another man's treasure. Something which is important for somebody may not be important for someone. What is useless to one person might be valuable to another. Suppose a rich man gave his shirt to someone who is not rich, would consider it very nice. He feels happy. Too many cooks spoil the broth. Broth is an English dish. If too many people are involved in a situation, involved in a task, everybody is giving their suggestions. So many people are advising and guiding in a situation, it will not be done well. If you want to do something successful in your life, do not take decision of too many people at the same time. Practice makes perfect. It basically tries to tell you that if you are learning something new, then do practice on a regular basis. It will make you perfect. You will become perfect. Keep repeating something over and over so that one can good at that activity. For example, you can't expect to learn swimming in just a week. You have to keep at it for a month. As practice makes perfect. Actions speak louder than words. It means that action is work which we do and is visible to everyone, whereas words are only spoken words which are heard by everyone. For example, my friend promised me many times that she will help me during exam, and she never does. So I doubt she will. Actions speak louder than words after all. Cleanliness is next to godliness. Whenever there is a cleanliness, God lives there. If you are keeping place neat and clean, it is just like praying and worshipping God. Keep yourself clean. After all, cleanliness is next to godliness. There is no time like the present. It is basically used in the context, something should be done now rather than later. The best time to do something is right now. For example, person wants to start his business. This is the right time. There is no time like the present. It is basically used in the context, something should be done now rather than later. The best time to do something is right now. Suppose a person wants to start his new business. This is the right time to start now. If you like this video, do not forget subscribe, share and comment. I will be back with another video. Till then, you take care of yourself. Have a nice day. Bye.